Now our first topic is uh, the three steps uh, which is included. Now moving to the next topic, that is photolysis of water. That is what? Photolysis of water. Photolysis or photocatalytic splitting of water. Why it is known as photolysis of water? Here, decomposition of water into hydrogen ion and oxygen takes place with the help of sunlight. That's why it is known as photolysis of water. That means uh, water breakdown into uh, hydrogen and oxygen. Water breakdown into hydrogen and oxygen in the presence of sunlight. That's why it is known as what? Photolysis of water molecules. Photolysis of what? Water molecules. This is what photolysis of water. Second point or second steps which is included in the process of conversion of solar energy into chemical energy is formation of ATP. Formation of ATP. Second point is what? Formation of ATP. So when ADP combined with single inorganic phosphate in the presence of sunlight, this process is known as what? Photophosphorylation. This process is known as what? Photophosphorylation. Photosphorylation. Now third point is reduction of NADP into NADPH2. So the released hydrogen ion during the photolysis of water made available to NADP into NADPH2. NADP into NADPH2. That means here NADP reduces into NADPH2, and this NADPH2 act as hydrogen carrier. This NADP act as hydrogen carrier. Hydrogen carrier. And the product which is formed in light phases or light reaction, that is ATP and NADPH2, which is used in dark reaction. And here one more byproduct is formed, that is oxygen, which get diffuses in the environment, for respiratory process. So this is all about what? Light reaction. This is all about what? Light phases or light reaction. So today this much only. Next topic is our dark phases. We will study dark phases in next class. So keep doing the hard work. Be safe at home. And enjoy the online classes. Thank you, students.